Sa pagpapatuloy ng kanilang second house challenge, si Fiang tila natatambakan.
Keep it, Fiang. I don't want it. I don't want it, Fiang. I don't want it.
Talagang game face on si Bakla, pinanindigan yung galit sa chicken eh. Hindi nila pwedeng makuha yung spot namin.
Thank you.
Kuya, sa totoo lang din, nangalay yung ganito ko.
She was doing a good job, pero nakikita ko na din na parang nangangalay na yung mga kamay niya.
Mas mahihirapan po yung mga susunod po sa akin if hindi ako magdo-doorbell ng mas maaga, kuya.
Now, Kai, take these back.
Kahit sa substitution ni Kai, tila lalong nahuhuli ang mga housemates.
I actually felt quite nervous because it was my turn.
Don't throw it in, Kai.
Mahirap talaga.
Back to balls already, Kai. You're not going to try the Rubik's Cube.
J-Boy!
Wala pa sila nag-swap.
Nahihirapan si Kai. Pwede lang. Pwede. Nahihirapan si Kai.
Natitense din po ko. Gusto ko na po i-ring yung bell. Patingin-tingin kila Kuya Binsoy, kila Kuya JM. Hindi na po mapakalit talaga kanina Kuya.
Kai, pwede mag-bell lang.
kayo hapong kuhan.
Nahihirapan ka Kai, may bell Kai.
Kaya ni Kai, sige lang.
Even if Kai was slow po sa first,
Okay, Sean, you got it. I believe in you.
I swear, I believed in Kai po talaga.
Don't think about it. Remember the chicken? We worked hard for that.
I don't think you want the chicken, Kai.
Oh, I want some chicken.
I don't think you want the chicken, Kai.
Kuya, you'll be inis. Naririnig ko din po yun kay Jaren.
Bro, you were there. You were there with us, Jared.
It was a strategy to stay calm. Hindi ko na mamalayan anong nangyayari kasi I was so focused.
Oh, yeah.
We have to win it talaga.
7 na lang yung sa kanila. Sa amin po Kuya, ang dami. Sabi ko, matatalo na naman kami.
My chances, kuya, when it was against Jaren, it was dito.
Ano po ako doon, kuya, nakinabahan po, kuya, kasi po baka matalo na naman po kami.
It's between Boots versus...
Malaki naman din po ang tiwala ko kay kuya, lalong-lalo na po nakita ko po siya na focus po talaga siya, kuya.
Oh, you're not getting tired, Asia.
Keisha, go, Keisha. Nice one. I love you. I love you, bro.
In the first place Kuya, sila po yung nandito para hamunin kami ng challenge. Siyempre Kuya, kami yung housemate. Kailangan rin namin patunayan sarili namin na manalo po.
Kai, the Rubik's Cubes love you.
The outside world loves you too.
Don't worry, you're next.
Sobrang init ng mga batuhan ng dalawang bata.
I'll see you outside.
Jaren started feeling, maybe he felt comfortable or parang ease.
So for yabang, nagpo-push up pa si Jaren.
Stop using the wall, Kai.
I just know that he's gonna regret that.
You can't come one?
Push up daw, sabi ni Tiri. Ayaw mo?
No, I'm chill.
Scared.
Palong-palo yung kay at kay Jaren.
Go, Keisha. Hindi ko like.
Damn.
Kaya pa.
I don't know where I got the strength. I don't know where I got the confidence.
Sa mahigit 3 oras na mainit na pagtutuos, si Kai tila nahanap na ang kanyang pulso sa challenge.
It's a clutch.
Kai's specialty po is clutch po, Kuya.